Now, Father Webe Joy post to this video. J-Pack one day on your who's away post to this video actually. Yeah? And there are a lot of people they post go this video, I think including me. But let me tell you one thing about this video. Because some people na dey na do so daft at the same time. But thank God na Chineke kele mmadu niile. Nye mmadu niile onyinye amala according to 86 we ha. Ewalago ebumoke isi. So it is assumed that no ye China homo or ye nyana homo ntekalele. Somebody who is a true Zionite and who has been a Zionite for a long time. I want to know why that person will make a video with an introduction. I am a Zion minister. Are you getting me? What could be the reason of making a video to tell us that you are a Zion minister when it is assumed that if you are a Zionite, when you make a video in church, people already know that you are in Zion? I am asking. Like, for a long time, I haven't seen anybody. I've gone a lot of the Zionites making videos in Zion ministry. I've seen a lot of people posting videos of people in Zion. I've never seen anybody making a video with that introduction. Is your mind and your brain telling you something? Do you think that this video was actually made in readiness for something? I mean, I am not saying that that is the fact, but since we have all turned to investigative journalists, I am just putting in my own part of the investigation and even shorter. What could be the reason for specially notifying us or making us to know that I am a Zion minister? If no, I'm not trying to say that she's not a Zionite. I'm not trying to say that she's a Zionite. But what I am saying is, what could be the reason and aim of making that video now where everybody was seated, making a video telling us I am a Zion minister? I mean, if you are a Zionite and people know that you are a Zionite, why are you trying to show people that you are a Zion minister? You just make your video where you are dancing, just like in Akusayon Nando, Zonine, Shiwikeha, and a lot of other people in Fugolo. You can have the Oskike way a Zion member Yaga, Yafiebe, Omer video, but making that introduction to say I am a Zion ministry. Now don't I say name me go vida they were here in readiness for this particular final photo on Facebook. I'm only making a common sense. I am only making a common sense. It's more like I am a member and I am in this particular church. Even now, I am in church. I don't know I'm winners, winners, only a Zionite. People around you, a Zionite. What is the essence of making a video to tell us is although I am in Zion? No, I am a Zion minister. So that people will know that she actually visits Zion minister. For the sake of, if I'm on Facebook, we are yet to know na Lovette or carry out this assignment on her own. When somebody Nyeriaka we made that thing. When somebody did made that thing. But with the rate people see a cry, foul, left, right, and center, I am meant to believe that now no one they not behind the family. I am meant to believe that no one they not behind it because all of their talker has zeal, all are strategically thinking that they can manipulate us. Why? How come? How did they even lay hand on that video? I am in Zion Ministries, and she did not say anything again. Okurosity is almost something say I am a true Zionite. Oh no, sorry. I am in Zion Ministries. We are here to experience the God of Omecharafancha, of Charafancha, and Dokucharafancha. You know that is a more like a slogan in Zion Ministry. You know that go? Then we'll end the other video with Zion we move or Zion we fly. Or okay, BD made that video with a slogan, Zion we move, Zion we fly. Mana the kakusi shabuhori engaha or mota shabuhongaha or fuma. You know that go? It is very rare to see a Zionite he open up a video about Zion without first of all saying Zion we move, Zion we fly. You know that go? Or making reference to that God of Omecharafancha, Okucharafancha, and the Officharafancha. You know that go? These are the two things. Anyway, yeah, or the two if are common with those people who are Zionite. Even some of them who will come to my inbox, you know that go, to talk to me about this, because they will first of all start with Zion will move or Zion will fly. You know that go? So I don't know. I'm just thinking. I'm not saying that this is the fact, but we can all analyze what I have said and know if I have stated the fact or not. I am meant to believe that this lady is not a Zionite. She started going to Zion because of a specific assignment. I have not put away the fact that she may have claimed that testimony, that there is still possibility. You know where I go? There is still possibility that she may be a Zionite. But I've just analyzed something and I want you to pay attention. Pay attention. When somebody on Facebook, you know that go? Pay attention. Pay attention. So pay attention to Ivan. Analyze here. What could be the reason Ojuwe made that video? With I am in Zion Ministries. He will confirm what not on Zion Ministry. This was the video before the propaganda, before the controversy. And strategically, people were placed strategically for this assignment. To me, people were placed strategically for this assignment. Everybody a place in there play an important role. I am still asking for that guy, Nalovet Jiogwa. Show yourself because I want to pay you that money. Lovet Jiogwa. That man who put on Lovet Jiogwa yesterday, and you know Jiogwa. I want you to inbox me that man. I want to pay you that money, Lovet Jiogwa. You gotta go. Thank God that this is the era of social media, where people will dismantle every lies the moment we see it. Imagine all those days. Yeah? Imagine all those days J-Pack had a flag. On a money hatch of Ethiopia, when you hatch of Ibuni. Those days, those days are germinated a lot of demons among us. Imagine not those days could ever name Zion and but thank God now this is the days during those end time Bible we raise the armies, we raise the army from all angles on Facebook. You must prove things to us beyond every reasonable doubt. Any do who prove room reliably. Now Zion me fedotua on evangelist go be me fedotua. I will support you people. But for now, come floketa afro market no faith. Execute na akapal. Suppose you kunye shiwede yoso. Arapu go dey eba. One no nwoke ezugo.